this point, let's get to know more about our Ginoos as they answer questions from our friends from the media. We will now proceed with the press presentation as I acknowledge the presence of the media partners. May we call on Mr. Lee Basilio Gozun of Coronahan na Yan.
Alright, first and foremost, good afternoon, Nasan City, Pampanga, and congratulations in advance to the GNK team, of course, for the successful launching our session and press conference. My question is for Ginooning Santa Ana. We will just be very simple today. Alright, you can answer in any comfortable language. So the question is, as a Ginooning Kapampangan, how do you define confidence?
For me, confidence is quite power. But you have to be aware of your own confidence because sometimes you will destroy it, you will use it on a different or in a negative way on your own. But being confident on your own ways, in your God-given talents, and showcasing it to the province of Pampanga gives you an upper hand on showing what you can do and what you can show or what you can be proud of. That will go.
Thank you very much. Would like to call on Mr. Ferdinand of Event College.
Good afternoon, Ferdinand from Event College. My question is for Ian, Prince Ian Lagdat, tama ba ako? Yes. You're quite famous on social media. How would you use this to win Ginooning Kapampangan? Sorry? You're quite famous on social media. How would you use this to win Ginooning Kapampangan?
So first of all, good afternoon po. I joined Ginooning Kapampangan because I want. It is, for me, it is a great opportunity po na sumali po ako ngayon dito sa Ginooning Kapampangan para mas ma-enhance po yung confidence ko. And as a content creator po, masasabi ko po na hindi po ako ganun ka-confident. And today po, nandito po ako ngayon, I want to join this pageant because I want to collab the Ginooning Kapampangan to empower my advocacy, which is the youth empowerment. Thank you.
Any of the organizer can answer. What national title will this Ginoos be joining?
Good afternoon. As of the moment, we are focused on our own pageant, which is Ginooning Kapampangan. So for the meantime, our candidates, we hope that our candidates would be focused on winning the title of Ginooning Kapampangan. Although Ginooning Kapampangan is open for collaborations with other national and local pageants. So hopefully they could represent our province. But for the meantime, let us enjoy first the beauty and the success of true Kapampangans, which is Ginooning Kapampangan. Let's now welcome Mr. Joseph Canabuan of Joseph Apple Canabuan. Phil. So Phil, hello. So I've seen you competed already in the national and also international pageant, and you won those items, right? So do you think it's an advantage on your part to win the pageant in Pampanga?
I think it is not an advantage for me to win those titles, but the advantage for me I got in the core values of the Ginooning Kapampangan, the GNK, the Naka, I am a goodness person, and the one, the integrity, the man of discipline, and the kabyasna, the intelligent, or my understanding is the culture or tradition here in the Pampanga. And I think that is the advantage I got here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's now welcome our friends, Mr. Joey Cueco of Coronahan na Yan. we'll have to move on first to Mr. Danny Kubaku of Pageant Talk.
This is for Mr. Lubao. Very simple question. Love or career?
If I choose between the two, it will be career. Because of course, I need to make myself stable first before entering a relationship or entering a committed romantic relationship. So basically, I'll choose career. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Would like to welcome now Mr. Eric Kaya Saninian of Heartland Page.
Hello, good afternoon. This question goes to Mr. Mabalaka. Hello. What made you decide to join Ginoning Kapampangan 2025?
I decided to join Ginoning Kapampangan, not just in the fame or in the title or crown. It's about to advocate my platform and use this platform to showcase my skills and experience.
Thank you very much. Let's now welcome Mr. Drex Magat of Drex Bay Island.
Can you ask Joven? Ay Joven, it's been a while. Parang bata ka pa last time na nag-pilot ka, right? Ay, sorry lang. So, bakit ka nag-join dito sa Ginoning Kapampangan?
Sorry for... I joined Ginoning Kapampangan this time. It's been 6 years since I had my last budget. I believe this is the perfect time for me to show who I am, and I want to apply all the lessons I've learned in the past years to make Ginoong Kapampangan this year possible for me. And I will make sure that I will do my best to get the first ever Ginoong Kapampangan 2025.
We would like also to inform everyone that although Mr. Santa Tomas is under the weather, he was able to join us for today's Sashi ceremony. At this point, may we call on Mr. Nigel Lopez of Pageant Novels. Miss Nigel Lopez of Pageant Novels.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. And candidates of Ginoning Kapampangan. My question is for Ginoning Kapampangan Makabebe. Alright. So, Makabebe has been sending charming and really eye-catching candidates just like you are right now. You caught our attention. So, what's one quality of someone from Makabebe that makes you stand out among the rest of your candidates?
For me, being committed in this project. Actually, even I have for example, other side business, or even like I'm studying, I will 100% commit in this project.
Thank you.
Would like also to call on Mr. Benny of GNN TV 44.
Good afternoon. Kontan kay candidate San Fernando. Okay. Bago ka naman nini kay social media, kay TV, kay radio, kay Manilyari, kay Pilipinas. Nung sakali ka sumambot as Ginoong Kapampangan, na nung asawa mo, hindi ka tamang mali, bang mawala ining korupsyon, karang kaya katamo manong pula. Lalo ang agawa mo, lalo ang asawa.
Bilang Ginoong Kapampangan po, maging inspirasyon ko po ng kabataan na manigaral lang po masales, makayan niya po yung corruption ng Pilipinas.
Siguro naman mababasa mo, Ariel Beco, no, laganap yung korupsyon.
bilang metong Ginoo ng Kapampangan, nanong share mo kaya bang kanita, nung eman nila ko, mabaho si korupsyon ka rin kinatamo manong
Bumoto lang pong masales bahay lang pong bumoto, kilala ng dala po niyang bumoto ng tao.
Salamat.
Thank you very much. Of course, to our friends from the media and vloggers, those who have not registered, if you wish to ask someone, we'll be opening our floors for at least 3 more friends from the media and from the vloggers. We would open our floors. Yes, sir.
Can I have Mr. Apali? Yeah. Why should you win Ginoong Kapampangan? Bakit ikaw ang mananalong Ginoong Kapampangan?
Para po sa akin, bago kung ako yung mananang bilang Ginoong Kapampangan na pinakita ko po yung best ko sa event na ito at pinakita ko po sa mga co-candidates ko na deserve ko pong manalo sa Ginoong Kapampangan dahil marami pong naniniwala sa akin, lalo sa mga antlers ko po, family ko, na nagtitiwala at kung suporta pong binibigay nila sa akin. Lang po.
Another question, please. You just have to approach the microphone.
For Pora. Mga nanong may maapagmaragol ng Pampanga king Pilipinas.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon po, everyone. Mga nanong kinipagmaragol ng Pampanga kay Pilipinas. Bilang Kapampangan, dapat yasa ang pagyabe. At malugod ka, karing kalupa matao, at malugod ka, karing kalupa daming probinsya. At mananakipagmaragol ng Kapampangan, kading Kapampangan, biyasa lang magluto, magaling lang in crafts, kalupa ng San Fernando at ilang Lantern Festival. In Florida, inyang pinukpok, in Porac at inyang pinulo. Apag maragol niya hindi dahil marakalya, i-offering Pampanga ay mga tourist spots. Kung tunay, malagod na rin Kapampangan.
Hello, my question is for Ginoong Kapampangan Bacolod. Friends here. So this is not the first time we met. And I've been covering your pageant journey for quite some time. So what's one lesson from your pageant experience? What's one lesson from your pageant experiences would you like to bring in order for you to win Ginoong Kapampangan 2025?
Thank you and good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Siguro yung confidence. Hindi mawawala yung confidence. Just be who you are. Dapat buo yung loob mo kung anong gusto mong gawin sa lahat ng gusto mo. Thank you.
Alright, this question is for Ginoong San Luis. Alright, we all know GNK stands for Ganapa, Duan, at Kabistan. If you were to add an additional attribute to the existing GNK, ano kaya yung next characteristic that would define a Ginoong Kapampangan?
Pwede pong idagdag kay Ganapa, Duan, ang Kabistan. Basta pagiging clever or talented on something. Because if you are clever or smart in anything you do, I believe that that applies and that will contribute di nakakakuha ko Pakistan. Thank you.
Hello, this question is for Ms. Candaba. Mr. Candaba, sorry. Hello, it's a known fact that this isn't your first foray into joining a competition. You even competed internationally. What makes you unique and stand out from the rest of your competitors?
We have our own uniques and we have our own personality here in pageant. But sa nakaraan na paglabang ko sa international, hindi naman madali pero gagawin kong lahat para manalo. At
At gayon din dito sa Ginoong Kapampangan. Thank you.
And we believe, okay, got one more question.
Mr. Guagua, do you think you are ready to win the crown for Ginoong Kapampangan 2025?
I think yes. Since last year I completed national pageant, and those experience I've gained and lesson I've gained, and yun yung magiging baon ko para lumaban dito sa Ginoong Kapampangan. Yun lamang po.
And we believe the final question will be coming from the executive committee. This question is for Ginoong Magalang. What makes you a true Kapampangan? What makes you a true Kapampangan?
Good afternoon po sa bawat isa. What makes me a true Kapampangan? I think it's not just sa blood or being Kapampangan, but being Kapampangan kasi is kapag binagol ka kayong Kapampangan ng pamilya, balo mo lagi nang masiyahin. Hanggang pang hindi Kapampangan, kotang kasabi mo na, wala mo magipatay na lagi, di ba? Pero kailangan mo talagang welcoming na karen alawang tao. Ita, para ka na ako proud ko bilang Kapampangan kasi family ko, dinagol ko bilang Kapampangan kapag maragol ko. Thank you.
I believe that wraps up our press presentation. Thank you to our members, those who have joined us here for this event, most especially to our friends from the media and vloggers.